Hi friends, good morning everyone. How are you guys? Guys, how are you everyone?
Fine, sir. What about you?
Yeah, doing good, madam. Thank you. Okay, so yesterday, what all the things we have seen, guys? We have worked on the TestNG part, like how to include, exclude different methods, and you want to run for particular group. Yes, you can group run the test cases, okay? Or you want to include, exclude some methods in a class. Yes, you can do that, okay? And today our agenda will be how to execute our scripts on multiple browsers. Okay, what are the different options provided for us in the testng.xml, and what are all the different options will be there, and how we need to run our test cases parallelly. Okay, I want to run on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browser. These three browsers I want to run our test cases parallelly. Sorry. So how we can run our test cases parallelly? Okay, so that is what we are going to learn today. And first, let me download some jars will be there. So WebDriver Manager will be there. WebDriver Manager with all dependencies. Okay. You can go to the WebDriver Manager, all dependencies. Please visit this site. Anywhere they're asking us to download, only they have given the dependency. Okay. This is not the right one for us. Well, let me try with this, because we need to, WebDriver Manager will help us. Okay, WebDriver Manager will help us. Only WebDriver Manager is there because I need all the dependencies. WebDriver Manager, all the dependencies I need. If I download this one, what will happen? Okay, jar files, it is downloaded. Okay, these are all the dependencies required for WebDriver manager. Okay, these are all the dependencies required for WebDriver manager. So let me ping you this URL to you. You can also use this URL. Okay, let me ping you. Yeah, I pinged you. You can also use this URL to download all the WebDriver manager jars. Okay, you already downloaded WebDriver manager jars. Okay, what is the use of WebDriver manager is like in each and every test case, what you are doing, guys. Let me take these 5 test cases only. You are setting this path, right? Where is your Chrome driver? And if you want to work with Firefox, you need to set the Firefox driver. You want to work with Edge driver, Edge browser. So you need to use Edge path and all. Okay, so because I don't want to specify every time because my version is upgraded. Now X version is there. Tomorrow Y version will come. Again, I need to update the path of this one and all. So WebDriver manager is the one will help us. It will identify what browser version is there in your machine. Accordingly, it will work on that particular browser. You no need to update Chrome driver.exe, Firefox driver.exe, or Edge browser.exe and all. Okay, automatically it will be taken care. So fine. Where we need to associate all the jars, guys. Go to the build path, configure build path, select class path, and go to the add external jars. Go to the downloads, and these are all jars we need to associate. Select all these, click on open. Okay, all the jars are added. Perfect. Some of them are multiple times it is there. Okay, let me see if we get any errors. Perfect. Okay, I have associated all the jars. Now I need to convert to support any browser. Okay, I want to convert to support any browser. Let me work with this particular test case and then we will, whether it is working or not, we will check it out. What you need to do, guys, very simple. So just WebDriver manager. Okay, WebDriver manager dot, which browser you want to work with. See, all these browsers are there. Chrome driver, Chromium driver, Edge driver, Firefox, and IE driver, all are there here. So I want to work with Chrome driver. So Chrome driver dot setup. That's it. It will take care about the Chrome version and it is going to do the support for Chrome and all. Okay, you no need to give the dependency. I mean, this Chrome driver exe and all, we no need to give. If you want to work with Firefox driver, then WebDriver manager.firefox driver.setup. You want to work with the Edge browser, so WebDriver manager.edge driver.setup. That's it. It is going to support. Yeah, it is going to support us now the Chrome driver. Let us see whether this test case is working or not. Okay, some error came. What is that? We'll see. Before method. Okay, configuration. What is the problem here? What is the line number? See here, 23. WebDriver manager. Errors always will come, guys. We no need to worry about that. Skips one and failures one. What is the failure? So no such method error. Java input stream. Okay. Actions class 23. After method close browser. This is also no such method error. Commons.io, it is toString. Okay. Any guesses, guys? Anything? What is the problem here? So it is not able to identify Chrome driver. So I think some of the jars are, some of the jars are multiple jars are there. Let me remove. That is also sometimes it will close. Okay. See, WebDriver Manager 2 versions it is there. Okay. Let me remove one of the version. And what else? See here, SLF4J is also, wherever 3 will be there, you can remove that. Okay. Anyway, jar files 3 is there, which we have taken. Sometimes when multiple jars will be there, that will also cause not to work. Yeah, sometimes. So yeah, now nothing is there. This is also why 2 times added. Same jar only, right? No, it is the different jars. Okay, fine. We'll see, guys. So we will figure it out. What is the problem and all. Fine. Run it. No such failed configuration, guys. Before method. No, something is wrong with the configuration. Anything is wrong here?
Sir, we discussed already previous class, so the driver manager and driver and setup there. Actually,
Sorry,
when I'm sir, we already discussed about the web driver manager sir, actually. Whatever
already we
the other
discussed.
yes, sir.
No, is it?
When I'm practicing these sessions, I also facing the same problem too.
Okay, let me try to resolve it, madam. What is the problem is there? So I do remember earlier also we got some error, right? Yeah, but what is the problem and all we will see. Our friends might have updated what is the reason behind it. See, somebody updated, no such method error. What is the solution? Okay, so what he's giving is Apache commons.io is causing this problem. What he is saying is, okay, fine. Let me try to update the commons.io. Let me download the latest one. So you can go to Maven repository, guys, to check anything and all. So you can search here Apache commons.io. 2.11 version is there. In our mission, which version is there? We will resolve it, madam. So what is the problem? Because it is also important for us. Commons.io, 2 jars are there, guys, here. See? So let me remove one. Perfect. It is working fine. You also guys, please start habituate. Whenever you get any error and all, don't be panic. Okay. Don't be panic. Okay. It is working fine. Whenever, see, WebDriver manager is something like what guys? What is WebDriver manager? It will help us not to provide the Chrome driver exes or Firefox driver exes or IE driver exes. We no need to give. Okay. But you may get a question, sir, why so far we have given? Yeah, for your understanding and all we have given, but in real time, we won't give all these dependencies and all. We will work with the WebDriver manager. Okay. See, it is working fine. No issues are there. Because that commons.io package caused this issue. So we fixed that. Fine. So that's fine. See, I want to show you how to work with even Firefox driver. Same script. Okay. Firefox driver.setup you can use. Okay. Firefox driver.setup. Fine. What is the problem? Legal state, the path. Okay. Okay. What is the problem? The path to the driver executable must be set by the. Okay. What is the mistake? Tell me, guys. You have given here.
Driver.new Chrome driver is there.
Yeah, perfect. So you need to provide what? Firefox driver. Now it is going to work now on which browser? Firefox browser. See, you can check it out. But Firefox driver, it will be little slow, guys. Okay, it is working fine. Perfect. Similarly, I want to work with Edge browser also. How we can run Edge browser, guys? Very simple. So you can go here, dot Edge browser, Edge driver dot setup. You can give here. You need to change to Edge driver. That's it. Now it is going to work on Edge browser. See carefully. Perfect. Driver is launched successfully and it is going perfect. It is working on Edge browser also. But my requirement is, so you can carefully understand here, guys. I have these 5 test cases. Okay, I have these 5 test cases. I want to run these 5 test cases parallelly on all these 3 browsers. What I want to do, guys, I want to run parallelly at a time on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge driver. Guys, are you getting my point? What is our requirement? I want to run parallelly on all these 3 browsers. These 5 test cases, Chrome, Firefox, Edge driver, I want to run parallelly. Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible. Okay. So very, very important concept, guys, we're going to learn. So that is possible with parameters, guys. Okay, that is possible by using what? Parameters. We need to use the parameters concept. Okay. How the parameters means in your TestNG.xml, we are going to use parameters, guys. Okay, parameter one syntax will be there. That parameter we will be using in TestNG.xml. Here we are passing which browser we need to execute. Okay, the parameter we are passing, which browser we need to execute. Here, at the rate test level or method level, okay, at the rate before method is there, for example, at the rate before method, you're going to take what, guys? At the rate before method, you're going to take at the rate parameters will be there. You can receive these parameters from the TestNG.xml. Okay. Here, for example, name, you might have given name as browser. Okay. So we can retrieve these values. Okay. We can retrieve these values, value equal to whatever the parameter name you are giving there, like browser, right? Whatever the parameter name you are giving there, like browser. So like this way, you can retrieve the values from the XML to the our method automatically. Okay, automatically it is going to do it. So what is the concept, guys? You want to perform your execution on multiple browsers. Okay, on multiple browsers. You want to perform your operation on what, guys? Multiple browsers at a time. Parallelly, I want to run. Our requirement is what, guys? We want to run our test cases parallelly. Guys are understanding? One option is there in TestNG.xml. I will show you practically, guys. Don't worry about that. Okay. So, yeah, if you want to run your test cases parallelly on multiple browsers, yes, so by using this parameter, it is possible. Okay. So now first, let me explain you how to prepare your XML. See, I want to create one copy XML. Very clearly understand, guys. This is nothing but parallel. I'm giving parallel. Okay. I want to run, guys. So can we have multiple? This is suit. This is test. These are all the classes. Now our requirement is what? These 5 test cases I want to run parallelly. Okay. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is first I want to add what, guys? One parameter. I want to add one parameter. See how we are adding this parameter. Okay. In this case, my parameter name is browser. Okay. And I want to run these test cases on Chrome. This is one test. Okay. This is one test. This is one test. Similarly, I want to put one more test here. Okay. One more test here. Here, I want to run with on Firefox. Similarly, one more test I'm going to have. I have n number of tests. So I want to run it on what? Edge, for example. Okay. But each test name should be different, guys. Please ensure that test 1 and test 2. Otherwise, you may get an error. Okay. Leave about this thread count and all, that's fine. How we need to run these test cases, guys? We need to run these test cases parallelly. That I told you, right? So come to the suit level. You can give parallel equal to what, guys? Tests or methods or classes. So this is tests. This is one test. This is second test. This is third test. What we need to run parallelly now? We need to run tests. We need to run parallelly. These 3 tests need to run parallelly. Or you want to run classes parallelly? Yes, you can give classes also. Or methods you want to run parallelly? You can give methods. My thread count. Thread count means at a time. At a time, how many it need to run? At a time only I am giving 3 tests. For example, we are having only 3, right? So 3 tests need to run parallelly. Guys, very, very important interview questions here. How to run your tests parallelly? So suit level, you need to mention parallel equal to tests. Or in one test, n number of test cases are there. You want to run all those test cases parallelly. Then you can give parallel equal to classes. And I have 10 classes, 50 methods are there. 50 methods I want to run at a time 5 methods parallelly. Then thread count parallel equal to methods you can give. Thread count equal to 5 you can give. Then at a time 5 methods will run parallelly. Okay, guys, everyone is following? Guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I want to run this configuration clear for everyone. What we are doing here? we have added multiple tests, guys. Did you remember one annotation is there that I'm going to tell you later? Did you anybody remember? Before test and after test, correct? So now the order of the annotations will change. So this is one test. Before test will run, before starting this test, before test will be executed. After completing this test, after test will be executed. Similar case here also. Before test, after test. Guys, did you find the difference between before method and before test? Before method means each and every @test, it is going to run before method and after method. But what is before test and after test? Before executing this test, first it will run the before test and then after test will be run. So this is nothing but before test. Okay, guys, are you clear the difference between them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now tell me the order of the annotations quickly. Guys, now tell me the order of the annotations.
Yeah, suit
Before shoot,
Correct?
before suit,
before method, before
After,
method,
before test.
yeah. Tell me
before class,
fastly, madam, why you are confusing? Yeah. Very simple, madam. Before shoot, after shoot, which one? Before class or before test?
Before class.
before class,
See
No,
the
sir,
hierarchy. See the
before-
hierarchy.
Before class,
test.
before method,
Before
before
method.
test.
See the hierarchy and tell me. See, we have shoot, right?
Yes,
Inside of a shoot, what is there?
test.
Inside of that, what is there?
Classes,
And each class, what we are having?
methods,
Methods.
Same
Method.
hierarchy. You need to understand this hierarchy. So first before shoot, okay? Before
Before
test, okay? Before test, before classes,
Before class, before method.
before method, and test case will be run again. After method, after class, after test, after shoot. Guys, are you understanding my point?
yes, sir.
Same,
Yes, sir.
this hierarchy you need to follow. Whatever the hierarchy I have given here. So shoot, test, class, method. That's it. For this entire test, only once before test will be executed. Okay, perfect. Now, how to receive this value, this browser, how to receive this value? Okay, we're going to discuss now how to receive this value and how we need to run the same scripts parallelly. Very, very important thing, even in interview also. You want to run parallelly, how you can do. So two things we are using. What are all those? Suit level, parallel equal to tests or methods or classes you can give. Or thread count means how many, what is thread count, guys? At a time, how many you want to run. Okay. At a time, how many you want to run? So parallel tests you have given. At a time, you want to run how many tests? 3 tests. Okay. So that is the importance of parallel and thread count. Now come back to the, yeah, this is fine. Now come back to all your TestNG classes. So this class is there. Now how I need to receive? Very simple. Before method, you can take @ what guys? @ I told you, right? Parameters will be there. You can take it as @ parameters. TestNG, right? Yes, it is a TestNG. See, multiple it is coming, guys. You need to use what? TestNG. Perfect. What we need to use? Value equal to. Which value you need, guys? What is the variable you mentioned in your TestNG.xml? Hey, where is our XML, guys? Parallel XML. Yeah. Oh, I updated here the same XML. Okay. Okay. That's fine. See, let me copy because our tracking and all, let me copy and put it into here. And TestNG.xml, let it as it is. Let it be. And this parameter also I'm removing. Okay, perfect. Let it be as it is same. So now come here. So I want to receive this parameter from here. Okay, what is the name of the parameter we have given? Browser. Okay, this value I need, correct? So how we need to get the value? Very simple. So value equal to, you need to provide the name which you have given here. Name is what, guys? Browser. So you need to provide your variable name here. Perfect. And also you need to pass, you want to use that, right? You want to pass that as a, okay, one variable here also. This variable. So now what will happen is, whatever this browser value it is coming, it will goes as a input in this variable. Guys are understanding my point? So whatever the value you are getting here, okay, so whatever the name you have provided here, same name you need to use in your script. Okay, so that value, it is going to pull that value for us. It is going to pull that value for us, and you need to pass as an argument to your method. Okay, here you can give whatever the variable you want. So this browser value, whatever is there, that value is going as an input with this browser. Guys, this point is clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now we need to write some if conditions here. We need to write a if conditions. Already you know how to write it. If my browser dot contains, I'm writing contains.
Chrome.
Oh, contains ignore case. Ignore case will be there, guys. Equals ignore case. Browser dot equals ignore case. Okay, I want to ignore the case, or I want to, very simple, browser dot to lowercase dot contains. I'm converting it to first lowercase, and then I'm using Chrome. Okay, is it fine? If it is Chrome, then what I need to do, guys? If it is a Chrome, then what I need to do? WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot set. Etc. And also what I need to do? Driver equal to new
Chrome.
Chrome driver. Perfect. Else, if my condition is else, if my browser dot to lowercase dot contains, if it is Firefox, for example, Firefox, then what I need to do, guys? WebDriver. Tell me, guys. WebDriver manager dot
Driver manager dot Firefox driver
Firefox driver dot
dot setup.
setup. Very good. Now
Driver
here,
equal to new Firefox driver.
very good. Driver equal to new Firefox driver. Oh. Driver equal to new new Firefox driver. Perfect. I want to write another if another condition also. If browser dot contains, sorry, to lowercase. So
Two lowercase dot
to
contains
overcome
edge.
case sensitivity. That's it. Okay, contains.
Edge.
Contains what? Yeah.
Edge.
Okay, edge. Yeah.
WebDriver manager dot edge driver dot setup.
Morning all, this is Ravi Kumar. Krishna sir side, there is a power issue. Please wait 5 to 10 minutes. If sir joins, okay, continue, or else Another 10 minutes, going to close the session. We will wait the further 10 minutes.
Okay.
Can wait 5 to 10 minutes. If it is SAR is Jane is okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Monica.
Hi guys, I'm back. Yeah, what we are saying, guys. So fine. What we are doing, guys. So we need to Edge browser here. So in the Edge browser, what we need to do, guys? Just we need to provide here Edge browser related. Okay. And anything do we need to close here? We need to close here. Okay. Okay. Here one loop is there. Yeah, you need to provide one arrow here. Okay. That is closing here. Okay. But the main one you are closing here. Okay, that's fine. What is the problem here? Okay, one is extra is there or what? Okay, that's fine. Guys, so this is fine, right? Before method, what you are doing? You are accessing the browser. Guys, can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are able to access the browser by using value. If two parameters will be there, you can give comma separated two parameters. That's it. So how many number of parameters are there here? Those many you need to pass into your method. Okay. Here you whatever the name you want, you can use it. That is not a problem. See, I'm going to use same code. Okay, I'm going to use same code in now it is actions example, right? Alerts example also. In the before method, I want to use this code. But in real time, we don't use this type of code repeatedly, guys. We need to use the inheritance is the concept we will be using. So by using that easily. Okay, perfect. Our fight is ready now. Are you ready to run parallelly? I changed
Yes, sir.
which methods, guys? I changed which methods in all these? I changed only
Before method.
before method I changed. So what logic I have written in before method? I'm getting the browser from the TestNG.xml. Based on that, I'm setting it whether it to Chrome or Firefox or Edge. I am setting. That's it. Okay, perfect. Now, if I run this parallel, what is our expectation? Tell me. It need to open how many browsers at a time?
Three browsers.
Thread count you have given 3. Okay, so tests 3. So we have only 3 tests here. So each test is going to run at a time. So 3 browsers it need to launch for us. Okay, please carefully understand here. That is the importance of parameters, guys. Okay, let me run it and see carefully how it is running. Okay, first this one is executed. That's fine. See, Edge browser is launched, Chrome browser is launched, and it is going to launch Firefox also. Guys, are you understanding why Firefox is not launched? Okay, two are closed. No, what happened? Why Firefox is not launching? Guys, did you observe multiple browsers it is launching?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, multiple browsers. We are running our scripts on multiple browsers. Okay, but why Firefox is not launching? We'll see what errors it is giving and all. Based on the errors, we'll understand, right? Where it is going wrong. Yeah, like this way, you can run parallel. Okay, but TestNG capability is only it can run parallelly in this machine only. Anything related to Firefox? Okay, well, let me go to here and check it out. Okay, this is multiple tests. See, these are all the three tests it is executed. Here, 3 tests, drag and drop, it is failing. This is for which browser? And what about other tests, guys? Everything is passed. These annotations intentionally we are failing. That is fine. Remaining all got failed. See, the second test also everything is failed. Let me see what is the problem. This dot driver is null. I need to understand why web driver dot quit is there. Driver is outside only, right? What is the problem? Why this dot driver is coming null? This driver, it is saying this driver is coming null. Okay, so see, this is class level only, right? We no need to worry about that. It is class level, it is accessible to all these methods. Let me check one more time. So only one method is executed successfully. The first test is, okay, the test 2 is executed successfully. What is test 2, guys? This one also failed. What is the problem? Same problem, I think. Yes. Okay, everything is looks good actually. Any other issues, guys? Did you observe here any other things? Because I'm checking where exactly it is going wrong. So here parameters, this is Chrome and this is Firefox and this is Edge I have given. It seems on the Edge browser it is working fine in our report. Yeah, test 2, right? Test 2 actually it is working fine. See, this is intentionally we are filing. So test 2 is working, but test and these ones are failing. A test case is executed successfully, but you are getting null point exception to this dot driver. Okay. Null pointer exception. This one also test case is executed fine, but only closed browser is giving error. Okay. And what about test 1? Test 1, everything is failed. Test 1 is what? I think test 1 is in Firefox. So Firefox, nothing is executed. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow what is the problem behind this and all. But finally, the concept is clear for you guys, right? What is the concept, guys? You want to run parallelly on multiple browsers and all. Then TestNG .xml, we are having the options for it to perform your test cases parallelly. Okay, why Firefox is not launching and all, we will check it out. Any spelling mistakes, are there anything? So yeah, so let me check that. Okay, what is the problem and all, and I will update you.
Do we need to use Gecko or some Gecko instead of Firefox?
No, Gecko driver, where exactly you need to use is like you want to set the exe, right? Firefox driver.exe. There you need to set webdriver.gecko.driver.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, here I am talking about. Here you want to set it webdriver.gecko.driver. You need to set and provide the Chrome Firefox driver exe. But
Oh.
here we are using with WebDriver manager. Here you need to provide Firefox driver only. Okay.
Okay.
Or you
Okay.
want to give the exe, then you need to use gecko.driver for Firefox. Yeah. Fine, guys. So let me debug where exactly the issue is, and I will update you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So please try to practice all this. Guys, can I give assignment today, or you are busy with anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can.
I can give, right? So what you can do is try to log in with same on our application only. Try to log in with admin. Create 2 accounts. Create 2 user accounts loaded with 1 lakh into 2 accounts while creating only. Try to transfer. Transfer option is there. Everybody know it, right? Admin module.
Yes.
Try to transfer 10,000 from one account to other account. Okay. Try to transfer. Please, anybody is noting down? Monica, can you look
Yes,
into
sir.
it and put into that WhatsApp group? Everybody will follow.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. So, what I'm saying, so you can create 2 accounts, load with 1 lakh rupees as a balance, initial balance. Try to transfer from one account to other account, 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees you can transfer. Okay. And transfer is successful, then you can log in with each account. You can log in with each account, user account, and verify what is the balances displaying there. One account need to display 90,000, other account need to display 1,10,000. So please verify these 2 things and then come back to the admin module, delete those 2 users. That is the complete end-to-end script. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yeah, Monica, can you please put it into that WhatsApp group? These all
Sure.
steps, what we need
Sure,
to do?
sir. Yeah,
Yeah,
sure, sir.
yeah. This is the assignment, guys. So, which we need to do. You can try it out. Any issues or any challenges you are facing, let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine, guys. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow with some advanced stuff, like tomorrow we're going to learn how to work with listeners in TestNG and how to integrate with ReportNG. Okay. Those things we will be talking about more. Another 2-3 sessions will take for TestNG, guys. And then TestNG only after Selenium, TestNG is the bigger topic, like 5 to 6 sessions. And remaining all is, see, coding part already we completed, guys. Coding, everything is completed. You no need to do any other coding from the coming 10 days classes. You no need to do any other coding and all. Okay, already coding part is done. Just these all are configurations part, different options we can use in the TestNG as per our requirement. We can write our XMLs and all, we can run it. Okay, so yeah. But we cannot run each time manually TestNG.xml, right? Automatically it need to run. That is the reason we need to go for Maven. Okay, different. So another 2-3 classes TestNG will take, and then we'll move to the Maven part and we'll see remaining things. Remaining things doesn't take, guys. I hope by this month, 15th or between 15th to 20th, I'm planning to, our sessions almost will be done. Okay, you can assume like by 20th it is going to complete. We started on 14th, right? So 1 week we may delay, that is fine. Okay, guys. So I hope we are discussing each and every concept very in depth and practically. I'm showing you. I hope these things are very much enough. At the end, I'm going to give you, guys, this weekend, Saturday mock interviews will be there for you guys. Please ready with all the Java concepts and Selenium concepts and all.
Is it one-to-one or?
No, everyone will be there. I'm going to ask questions to the, not everyone. So I'm going to ask selectively some questions to you and where you are and all. I will try to understand.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.